So multi-purpose cleaners are so convenient because of their versatility when it comes to cleaning on different surfaces. But while effective, some of these cleaners aren't exactly healthy or environmentally friendly. So in this video, I would like to share with you my favorite cleaning solution.
Vinegar is a non-toxic and eco-friendly, making it the ultimate multi-purpose cleaning solution. And the best part, it is super cheap. White distilled vinegar is the best vinegar for cleaning because it doesn't contain a coloring agent. It is best for disinfecting countertops, can be used as glass and window cleaners. It also cleans refrigerator and dishwasher surfaces, and deodorizes and cleans the toilet. Lemons, like vinegar, is a terrific cleaning agent, but many people dislike the vinegar smell. Lemons, however, is refreshing and invigorating, so by adding lemon juice to vinegar when cleaning can help neutralize the vinegar smell. Also, the acid in lemons is antibacterial and antiseptic, and it acts as a natural bleach. Hydrogen peroxide is versatile and extremely cost-effective because of its ability to do the job of multiple cleaners. Its strong oxidizing properties makes it a powerful disinfectant and cleaning solution, and when used correctly, it can kill multiple germs, toxins, and bacteria. Use the 3% solution undiluted in a spray bottle and spray it directly on the surface to be clean. Allow it to stand for several minutes and then wipe it off.